How to watch IPL 2023 in foreign countries. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can watch IPL 2023 live on foreign countries, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to watch IPL 2023 live, one of the quickest ways you can do this is via Disney Plus Hotstar, but Disney Plus Hotstar is only exclusively available only to India, which means that if you're from Australia or the UK or the US, you will not be able to access Disney Plus Hotstar. Now in that case you do have an alternative service, and I'll just open up my browser here, and this is one of the most popular ones that is also exclusively available to your IPL section, which is DAZN, DAZN.com. I will have a link below as well. Now under it you should be able to sign up for an account, and once you sign up for an account and then start watching on DAZN, you should be able to watch the IPL as well. Now in case it's not available, because DAZN is also only available on the UK and it's coming to the US as well. Now if you're from Australia or from some other countries in this case, then I'll just recommend you download and install a VPN. Now there are many VPNs applications out there, right? So there is Turbo VPN, there is the Super VPN, there is Halo VPN, there is Tomato VPN, there is so many VPNs out there, but maybe you want to download the ones that are exclusive only to this specific service. So let's say I want to connect to the US, I'll just download a US VPN, which I've already done, so that is only available for the US. So I'll just download a US VPN there, then I'll just come back like this, and then I'll just connect to a US server. Once I've connected to the server, I can just come back to the browser, go to DAZN.com, and then simply start watching IPL in that way. Now there are also some other services that could be available in some other areas, such as Australia only, and then you also have all those different types of things, but then you should be able to go ahead and watch them even in DAZN. But if you want to, you can also use them on Hotstar, but Hotstar is only available for India. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.